We're gonna get all these people out. So let's just figure out a good way to get over there. I think we'll just head straight through all this snow. I actually don't have long boots on, so hopefully my socks will keep me decently warm. But check this out. This is crazy. It's sticking out like a foot. It is heavy too. I might just get the shovel. Okay, I'm gonna put you away for now.
And spit you out like
these, you know, I might end up helping someone, who knows.
I watch you fuck me in the mirror. We acting up, feel my heart in my chest. Can you hear it pump? Out of your lips, bright red cheeks. I'm lost, drunk, love to hear my baby breathe. Keeps me up like
as he falls back deeper into a state. The return.
Dr. Cheese, baby.
as my mind is speeding by, I'm holding on. Asking God to help him, are you hearing me? Girl is telling me she don't know what she want. Lot of demons creeping up the living underneath. Gotta take a minute, y'all travel far. Feeling something, no, I can't ignore my instincts. Back just where I started, it's the same old damn songs I need. Trying to find it on the right track. Oh, wanna be just for the free act. Talk to him, he don't speak back. Can't lose, I'm in the third act. Lord seeing me swerve, do this to my loved ones, I've got some nerve.
We're gonna get all these people out. How you doing today? Are you just spinning in place?
Yeah, like I can't get out.
Okay, let's see if we can push you. There she goes. She's pretty stuck.
Put your wheels straight. Back up a little bit.
I won't stop till I crash and burn. Tell my mom I'm sorry. Hear me now, hey, this time I'm ready for it. Can't stop this war in me. Can't stop this war in me. Hear me now, hey, this time I'm ready for it. This fight, this war in me.
Crazy outside, crazy weather. I'm glad I got out. I had a lot of fun. It helped some people, but definitely think it's time to head home. Maybe we'll find someone on the way again though, but otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.